I love my mom's food. It's the most comforting food. I wanted to find a way to document all of my mom's food she's made for us growing up. So we're starting a series called Amma's Cookbook, where I try to recreate some of my mom's recipes.
He can only cook Maggie very well.
Ma, not anymore. Because starting today, I'll also learn how to cook and try to impress my mom at the end of the video.
Wow, things you do for likes and views.
Shh, don't reveal our secrets.
Okay, fine.
Today I'm going to try to recreate my mom's tomato rasam with tenga thogayal or coconut thogayal. It's super simple to make and eat and is legit my comfort food. Let's first make tenga thogayal or coconut thogayal. Dear mother, please give me ingredients for this.
Some coconut, Urad Dal, red chillies, little tamarind, some hing, salt to taste.
Initially when I was blending it, it was still white, but I had trust in the process and it turned out like this. And this is the exact consistency I like eating with. You can either make it more dry or wet by adding more or less water. This is just the first course. Next up is tomato rasam.
Tomatoes, red chillies, some ginger, little tamarind, rasam powder, haldi powder, hing, salt to taste.
Mom's gonna be like, use your hand. Okay, I'll use my hand. Wait. I think it looks too much. I can't take it out now. Rasam has to be waterish, no? Guys, it's boiling. Let's see, we can go like this. My mom does this. We'll do this. I'll cut off this tip. I added whole tomatoes. Probably I should have cut them more finely, but it's fine. It's okay for the first time. Should be fine or a little more. Okay. Ginger. It's time for me to add some more water. Guys, I forgot to add salt, guys. Add salt to taste. Let me just add normal salt. I did everything my mom asked me to do. Even after this, if the recipe or the taste is not same, then it's not my fault, it's my mom's fault. It smells good. It smells like my mom's rasam. And she said I'll have to let it boil. Like poop, 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 like bubbles. Let's do a small taste test. Not bad. Rasam is ready. It's hot. FYI, I also know how to keep nice hot rice in a pressure cooker, but I will keep that for the next episode. This is Thogayal, this is rasam, this is rice, this is mother. Are you ready to taste test?
Yes. Hey, who will serve this food? Come here and do.
Hey!
Salt is less, but nice. Done. Next.
This is little too much. My absolute amazing rasam.
Super. Thanks to my rasam powder.
10 million views on this video and we'll start selling my mom's rasam powder. Rasam was so nice, she put extra rice and more rasam to eat. How's your son's cooking?
First, let me eat in peace.
Okay, fine. The rasam is nice when she drinks the rasam like this.
It's actually nice.
Ma, now you tell me, do you think I have what it takes to recreate your dishes?
If you make such nice food, you can cook for me every day.
Okay, that was not part of the plan. Ouch. Feel free to use my mom's rasam and thogayal recipe and let us know in the comments how does it taste. Meanwhile, go to the comment section and tell me which is that favorite dish of yours your mom makes for you. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything you do. Okay, the notification bell also, turn it on. Okay, cool. Bye.